Tyson, what's wrong, buddy? What's wrong? Oh God, he's so funny. Tyson, you sound like a pig. You sound like a pig, fat boy. You sound like a piggy. Piggy, piggy, piggy. Come here. Oh, come here. Try to get up. I know, it's hard. It's hard. Oh, Tyson, you look so sad. You look very sad. I'm not good with this camera, trying to figure it out. You look so small right now. What is that, Tyson? What is this? What is this, huh, Tyson? What is this thing? It's my camera. Tyson. Big pit. Tyson. Like a big frickin' polar bear. Where's my purse? He's taking my purse for. I love you, Tyson. I love you, Big Pit. I love you, Big Pit. Look at my desk. Oh my God, it's such a pigsty. So many videos this weekend. God, I'm such a good fucking singer. I should start my own fucking album. I'm still crazy. Okay, bitches, I'm gonna post my MySpace thing so you guys could become friends with me on MySpace if you want to. But when you send me a friend request, you have to tell me your username on YouTube. I'll go from there. I'll pick and choose who I want to frickin' make my friend. All my subscribers will be able to become my friends. Okay. Sorry, I just had to show you Tyson because he was snoring and it was fucking funny as hell. Alright, later.